Recently, some Free Fire players can start playing match on Free Fire and it shows connection timeout. Please check your connection and try again. Or keep counting down the time but the match doesn't get started. Now, if you find that you can play the Free Fire match because of this connection timeout, please check your connection and try again error. Then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve this annoying connection error for the game. So, let's get started. First, you need to fix the connection error. You need to check internet issues. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this up. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap Developer option, scroll down, turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, turn on Always Keep Mobile Data on if you're using mobile data on your device. After that, reopen Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Free Fire apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction, enable all the setting. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search, type Free Fire, and quickly check for a new software update for the Free Fire application. Now go back to your open Free Fire apps. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, if you still have issues, please comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.